how can a journalist go out and find the human story that exemplifies sort of a more general phenomenon? And this is a relatively rare opportunity for us to interact with journalists in this kind of space. And I think really we can come up with the studies and the results, but we're not necessarily very good at communicating with them. And so that's where I think sort of communicating those results. That's where I think this kind of partnership with journalists, if we can encourage those persons listening and their peers to really seek out the evidence on the topics that they're covering, and then use that evidence to motivate the human stories that they use to describe a particular issue. And that could be that would be a very powerful way of communicating some of these findings that really have quite broad policy implications, but in a way which adds a human touch that numbers and statistics just can't do.
And maybe just to add on that, I totally want to echo that, but giving a narrative to the results and in the context of maybe some incentive schemes may give even more political acceptability to some of these interventions. So I think the journalists play a big role here in getting everyone on board with maybe also some innovative design that proved to be very effective, but maybe there's not yet so much acceptance in the general population. So I think, and that's what politicians care a lot about. So I think there's a big role to introduce a narrative into the results to make it appeal to people.